adventure, you were with the guild last time. If you were to be an animal, be what? What would you be and why? Except for that.
Good evening, judges. Good evening, co-leaders, and also to my Transformers family. Good evening. Thank you very much, sir, for that question. If I will be an animal, I will choose dog. As dogs, that we all know that it is a man's best friend.
He hates dogs.
And aside from that, I can see dogs as closest to human. And that's one reason why I wanted to be a dog.
But you hate dogs.
Because
I know.
it is peaceful, it is good and not harmful. That is all, and that's it.